In this video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we can go to the search bar and we need to search for the Microsoft Store. As soon as you have found it, then select it, and after that go to the search bar on top. Always make sure you are logged into your Microsoft Store account before you can download any apps. After that, search for the WhatsApp app and you will find it over here. Now select it, and after that you can click on the get button. I have already installed this app, so at my computer it is showing open. But if you don't have installed it yet, then you can download it by clicking on this button. And as soon as you have downloaded this app, you are able to log in with a QR code from your mobile to connect your WhatsApp account from your mobile to your PC. So you are able to receive and send messages on your WhatsApp account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!